Hello and welcome back to English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to help you master restaurant English. From reading a menu to having natural conversations with the waiter, we'll make it easy and fun.
Yes, we'll go step by step and teach you useful vocabulary, common expressions, and real-life dialogues. Whether you're dining in a casual cafe or a fancy restaurant, this lesson will boost your confidence. Let's begin.
Let's start with the basics. When you enter a restaurant, someone might greet you and ask, "Table for two?" Or, "How many in your party?" These are simple ways to ask how many people will be dining.
That's right. You can reply, "Yes, table for two, please," or "We're four." And sometimes they'll ask, "Do you have a reservation?" You can say, "Yes, under the name Ali," or "No, we don't." "Is there a table available?"
Now, once you're seated, the waiter usually hands you the menu and says, "Here's the menu. I'll be back in a moment to take your order." This is your chance to look at the food options. Some parts of the menu include starters, main course, desserts, and beverages.
Exactly. And here are a few helpful vocabulary words. Appetizer means starter. Entree is often used in American English to mean the main dish. Sides are extra items like fries or salad. Specials are dishes that are offered only for the day.
And if you don't understand something, you can ask politely, "What is the chicken parmesan?" Or, "Could you explain what's in the house salad?" Asking questions is very normal and helpful when ordering food.
Good point. And here are some useful expressions for ordering. "I'll have the grilled chicken, please." "Can I get the steak medium rare?" "I'd like the pasta with extra cheese." You can also ask to modify the order. "Could I have it without onions?" Or "Can you make it spicy?"
If you have dietary needs, here's what you can say. "Is this dish vegetarian? Does this contain nuts? I'm allergic to dairy. Can I get this without cheese?"
Great examples. Now, sometimes the waiter will ask, "What would you like to drink?" You can answer, "Just water, please," or "I'd like an orange juice." If you're not ready yet, say, "Can we have a few more minutes?"
And if you're eating at a fine restaurant, they may recommend dishes by saying, "Our special today is lamb chops served with mint sauce." You can reply, "That sounds delicious," or "I'll try that."
Once the meal is done, they may ask, "Would you like dessert?" Or "Can I get you anything else?" You can say, "Yes, I'll have the chocolate cake," or "No, just the bill, please."
Speaking of the bill, let's look at some polite ways to ask for it. "Could we get the check, please?" "May I have the bill?" "Can you bring the bill when you get a chance?"
And sometimes you'll hear, "Will this be cash or card?" Or "Would you like to split the bill?" That means to divide the payment between two or more people.
Let's do a short role play now. Imagine we're at a restaurant.
Sounds good. I'll be the waiter and you'll be the customer.
Okay, here we go. "Hi, table for two, please."
Of course. Right this way. Here's the menu. I'll give you a few minutes.
"Thank you. This all looks great. What would you recommend?"
Our special today is the grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce.
"That sounds delicious. I'll have that. And for my drink, just water, please."
Perfect. I'll get that started for you.
And just like that, you've completed a full interaction. It's really not so difficult when you know the right phrases.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the words, it's about how you say them. Be polite, Speak clearly and don't be afraid to ask questions. Native speakers appreciate when you make an effort.
Also, here are some helpful tips. Use please and thank you often. Smile and make eye contact. Don't rush. Take your time with the menu.
And if something goes wrong, like your food is cold or your order is wrong, you can politely say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake," or "My food is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?"
Yes, always be calm and respectful. Good manners are more important than perfect grammar.
Let's quickly go over a few phrases one more time. Table for two, please. I'd like the grilled chicken. Could I have it without onions? May I have the bill, please? Can we split the bill?
These are very useful and will help you in many situations. Whether you're traveling abroad or just visiting a restaurant in your own city, you'll be more confident and comfortable.
So today we learned how to speak English in restaurants, from reading the menu to having natural conversations with the staff. We covered ordering food, asking questions, making requests, and even how to ask for the bill.
We hope this video helps you feel more confident the next time you dine out. Practice these dialogues with a friend or in front of a mirror.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.
See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye for now.